Hello friends, this is a Bompow AC 110 electric air pump, and you can see here that this is an electric air pump for the quick and easy implementation of multiple things. So I'm just opening the box here. It's an air pump itself. Just empty the box. So one, I think, is a thank you card for the email and the customer service quick use guide, and you can see it here that this pump actually have two ports. One is for inflation, and then other is deflation. So this is electric pump 110 watts, so it cannot be used in 220 or 240 watt setup countries. And you can see that there is a one, this is deflate here. So this actually the side is used for deflation, and the other side is called inflate, and this is used for inflation. So pretty straightforward. Manual is in English, you can see it here. There's an instruction manual, and that is in English, and this pump is pretty much straightforward and comes with 3 attachments. I will show you. So the pump looks high quality, and then these are the 3 attachments for the 3 different inflation. You can see like the size of the aperture. I will just show you the demo using only this sleek one, and the pump itself is small and nice, looks nice quality one. I'm just putting it for the inflation at this time, so it fits well in the inflation side. This don't come with any pipe or something, so you have to bring the pump near to that object which you want to inflate or deflate. So I'm just putting it for the electricity. Just a moment. So after I just put it in the electricity, I put the pump, and then I'm putting to inflate this particular toy. I just on the button, it's make a nominal sound. I have multiple pumps, and then this is the least sound producing one, and you can see it's the inflation is pretty quick, and you can see that it start inflating this. So it start inflating, and then because of the long thing, it is actually going inside, so it's pretty much clean and straightforward. See, the inflation is there, and then it just inflated. See, this is inflated, and then you can see I just lock it just to show that the inflation is done. I'm sorry, I'm just using a little bit different terminologies. And now I'm just trying to show you the deflation, so I'm putting the same thing and now deflating this. So I'm just putting in the deflation side and just putting this back there in this aperture, making it on, and you can quickly see like how it's deflating. It start going inside, like just deflate, just taking out all the air out. So it's pretty quick and straightforward. See, it deflated. So it's pretty quick and then easy, nice small pump, pretty much effective. You can see that it's deflated, how it is just taking out the air. Pretty nice and cool.